What's going on, everybody? Bulldog Gaming here. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Wednesday, March the 11th, and we're in the state of Missouri. We're actually cruising. The load that I was supposed to pick up on Monday got rescheduled to this morning, so I've been playing, doing some local stuff down in Oklahoma. So now we are finally on our way to Michigan. So, as my buddy Risky Clay reminded me, the review on the Clix windshield wipers. So, first off, I'm going to start with an overall score of an 8 out of 10 stars. Now I'm going to give you the breakdown. So, breakdown is this. It receives 4 stars right now for availability. Let me back off this guy a little bit. The availability right now, and I was just at the Petro in Joplin 44 Petro, and they have everything. Kind of crawled through there a little bit, walked through there, checking out products and seeing what all they had on the shelf. And could not find them there. So there's a Pilot right next door. Walked over to the Pilot. They have a plentiful supply at the Pilot. So as of right now, I'm going to say that the Clix windshield wipers are a Pilot Flying J exclusive. And the only reason why I can throw this out there too is because I went to Walmart, looked over in the windshield wiper area, that kind of area. I didn't find them there. I didn't find them in at my local parts store, CarQuest, nor did I find them at O'Reilly's. I did not go to AutoZone or Advanced Auto because I didn't have a whole lot of time to do so. So over the little over a month, and I would say about a month and a half since I got the original set. Unfortunately, I had to leave them on 479, the other blue truck that I was driving, because I didn't have time to switch them from that truck to the brown truck. But the truck I'm currently driving, 445, does have a set on it. So they've been around for a minute because this truck has been in the shop for a little over a month, almost 2 months. It got motor work done, transmission work done before I got to drive it, which was actually the original truck that I was supposed to get instead of the brown one that I got. Though I do miss that brown one, because it was a 13 speed. Let's see if UPS will be nice and let me step on around him, or he's going to be a pain in the butt and speed back up. So, availability, they get a 2-star. Durability, they get an 8-star rating out of that. And the reason why I say they get an 8-star, they stand up and they work perfectly fine in any kind of wet condition, even if it's the misty rain that you get off of tire spray. They work perfect. They clean the windshield. They clean the whole windshield, except for one little corner. On the left one, it would be right above where my phone sits. It doesn't fully clean right there because it has a little bit of lift. Thank you, Mr. UPS. And then over on right side, it doesn't clean right at the edge because it kind of lifts. And that's due to wind shear. As you're going down the road, you get a little bit of lift on them. And every windshield wiper that I've ever used, every brand has done that. Some are worse than others. The ones that the Encos that I had on brown truck, it didn't matter. And they do make a product that you can get at pretty much any truck stop for your windshield wiper arms for making them more rigid so they don't fly up in the wind. But other than that, the Clix are actually pretty good. They do stand up pretty good in the wind. Right at the tips, about a quarter inch of the tips. So durability, 8 out of 10. Use, oh my god, it's 10 out of 10 on that. Because like I said, going down the road, I got them back in January. I was still at 479. I put those on. So I was able to drive in winter weather with them, snowing, icing, sleeting. They kept the windshield clear. Drove in rain with them. They did really good. Heavy downpour. I was able to leave them on my low setting, not my intermediate, my high intermediate where cycles, but my low setting on full, and able to keep the windshield clear even in the downpour that I was experiencing as I was going down to Houston. So I was actually pretty happy about that. They're an 8.5, 9 for installation. Because it's a 2-part installation instead of being just click and go. You click and then you have cover. When you install them, to uninstall them, and just the same 2 normal clicks. Click this protective sleeve off of it. Hit the little button, boom. You can take them off and exchange them, and move from truck to truck if you move truck to truck and you want to keep them on your truck. That little protective cover that is on there, I actually like, because when I was driving in the ice and snow, I would say first part of February before I got the brown truck, the G609, it didn't build up any ice and it didn't build up any snow in the hit where it clicks in, to where it actually stayed rigid and flat where it needed to in the center where I could still see. So that was pretty good. That's a 7 out of 10 stars there for me on that part. Another thing I didn't care for is just to the right of what you're seeing on the windshield. When the right side would come up, it would leave a black mark just below where my phone doesn't show the windshield. And then also over on the left side, down in the bottom left-hand corner of the windshield, it would leave this little black mark. I don't know if it was due to the fact that I was cleaning my windows, with road spray or whatever, but it would leave that little black mark down there. But other than that, it is actually a really good quality windshield wiper overall. I would choose getting another set. In fact, I'm going to get another set for this truck, and take these and leave them as backups in case something ever happens. But I'm going to get the exact ones that I got this last time, the ones that I started to review. I will get another set of those instead of these, because these are the open back, not the premiums, but the next step down from the premiums. Able to keep, not smear bugs as bad like I do with regular wiper blades. Definitely a heck of a lot better than the Rain-X bug scraper wipers. that's pretty good in my book. So the packaging is not really appealing. It's not eye-popping. It doesn't really grab your eye other than the fact that it comes in a red packaging for the premium, blue for the next step down, and then a white packaging for light application. That's what I'm assuming, because it doesn't really say what application is each. So, but again, I do recommend them. That part is, it's hard to get hold of them unless you got a Pilot Flying J that is in your neighborhood or within, a short distance of where you live. So I'm going to use them on the ones that I got factory installed on my personal vehicle. I'm going to replace those because it's coming up June will be 2 years with the car, so with the new car. So I will replace them then and put a set of Clix on my car, both front and back. And then, of course, like I said, I'm going to get a replacement set for this truck because I'm going to be in this truck temporarily for a time. And then, I recommend them. In fact, I went to their website. I had to Google it. Clix windshield wipers. I Googled it, went to their site. I gave them an overall, out of a 5-star rating, I gave them an overall of 4.5. And then explained why I gave it a 4.5, which is basically verbatim what I just said here on the video. I want to cover a couple other things real quick before I bug out and end out this video. This is the Wednesday video, which will be up as soon as I slow down and stop up here somewhere in St. Louis. School zones. Haven't seen it in any of my social media feeds from any of the trucking groups here recently, but it's been on my local news from 2 different channels from 3 different locations. 18-wheelers, truck drivers speeding through school zones, bypassing school buses. Y'all know better. Children get on and off these school buses day in, day out. They go to school, and there is a set speed limit. A lot of them are 25 miles an hour. And if you can't maintain 25 miles an hour and you're going to speed, you got to pay the price. Just yesterday, coming out of Chanute, Kansas, I was actually witnessed it. Luckily, there was a county mounting sheriff's patrol that was doing radar and school patrol there, so he's got to pay his dues. So slow down, pay attention, be aware of your surroundings, people. I preach that all the time. And the only reason why I preach it is because you are the number one reason people are safe. Not the people that you're around, but your conscious decisions make it either a safe day or a bad day. And it can be catastrophic, especially for those of us that drive over the road, drive a commercial vehicle. So, slow down in your school zones. No load is worth anybody's life. And speeding is only going to get you a ticket. Pay attention to the speed limit sign. If you got to slow down for the school zone, slow down for the school zone. My kids ride a school bus. I still have kids in school. my grandkids ride a school bus. So, yes, I have both realms. So, if you feel the itch to speed, make sure it's out on the interstate and you ain't got any construction zones or any particular traffic situations that you got to slow down for. Another thing I wanted to cover is I'm going to do another product review. I've actually been promoting this product already. I don't get paid for promoting any kind of product. I just do it because I like the product. I'm currently doing a product review on another product. I will show you the product next week, so you know which one to look for and where to get it. I will also put a link to where you can get the product. I'm going to give you a heads up, and I'm going to drop a name. Tony Justice also promotes this product. So look forward to that product review. Coming up next week, I will start the product review showing the product and its many uses. And I think that's what I'm going to start doing for a new series, new part of the Ramblings from the Truck is Wednesday doing a product review of a product that I find that I use on a regular basis. No, I'm not going to get any kickback from any of these products. It doesn't bother me. I just want people to know, hey, if you're looking for something, this is my opinion. So, again, like with the windshield wipers, these are all my personal opinions. Nobody's paying me to say anything about it. I'm just doing it on my own, so y'all know, hey, he thinks. So maybe you go out and try it yourself. And then you can make a determination on your own. Well, Bulldog was full of shit, or Bulldog was actually right. It's a pretty dang good product. So I think I'm going to start, like I said, I think I'm going to start doing a product review on Wednesdays, and then maybe do a follow-up on certain products throughout the year, like windshield wipers. Follow up later on, see if my opinion has changed about certain aspects of the product, or if it still stays the same. So look forward to that. For those who follow me on the gaming side, not really much has changed. Obviously, I've been home, and obviously I didn't get a Trucker Tuesday video out from American Truck Simulator. However, discussing with my mentor, talked to him a while back. I need to change some parameters in my video settings, and I will be able to do my main stream to Twitch and restream to YouTube, and also restream to the Facebook page, Bulldog Gaming Live, which I don't know why it just didn't let me do my original page, but that's okay. I'm still learning when it comes to doing live streams and stuff like that. So, to each its own. Step at a time. I'm just rambling on. I'm trying to think of something else that I want to tell you, but it has gone away from my brain for the moment. It might be on Friday's video. Speaking of Friday, will not be going home on Friday. Or I will not be home Friday night. I will be still out here on the road, but I will be home mid-afternoon, early evening on Friday, or Saturday, from Michigan, going direct to the house, do a reset, and then be back out on the road on Monday. We'll see what the weekend brings. Hopefully I have enough time to get stream in on Sunday and actually remember to record it so I can put it over here on the channel. Yeah, Mr. Higher Control sees that I'm already peeking in the mirror. This truck does 70 in cruise, but it doesn't do faster than 68 on the foot. So without any sudden moves, y'all be safe. Safe travels. We'll catch y'all on the flip.